Hola, això és Can 60, soc amb els Smiles, som un quartet a capella que ens trobem doncs, per preparar cançons, estudiar-les i de tant en tant actuar-les. Aquí hi ha una que s'amaga, l'Eulàlia. El Mai, l'Eulàlia, l'Alba i un servidor. Bé, doncs volen participar al Can 60 també com a quartet, ja els heu vist en vídeos individuals amb mi, i tenim una cançó que ens agrada molt, que és de la meva llista, que és...
When I'm 64.
Això.
When I'm 64. Doncs vinga, per vosaltres.
Bum dum bum dum bum 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 bum. When I get older, losing my head, so many years from now,
Will you still be
sending me a Valentine, birthday greetings, bottle of wine? If I clean out till 2:45, would you lock the door? Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? Bum 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 dum bum dum bum dum bum dum bum dum bum dum bum dum. You'll be older soon. And if you say the word, baby, I could stay with you. Do 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 do. I could be handy mending a fuse just when your lights have gone.
You can leave the sweater by the
Fireside, Sunday morning, go for a ride, doing the garden, digging the weeds. Who could ask for more? Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64?
Every summer we can rent a cottage in the Isle of Wight. If it's not too deep,
Not too deep, we shall scream and save. And grandchildren on your knees, little Vera, Chuck, and Dave. Do 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 do. Send me a postcard, draw me a line, please state the point of view.
indicate precisely what you
Mean to say you're sincerely wasting away. Give me your answer, fill in a form, mine forevermore. Will you still need me? Will you still feed me when I'm 64? When I'm
64.
Molts petons!